smile on the subway. Maybe it's a whisper in the dark, or maybe it's a hug amidst the heartache. There's a million different ways that it can start, but someone has to start the motion. Stand alone, stir the ocean, be the hand that reaches out for the unknown. Sometimes just one drop is all it takes. One drop is all that it takes. See the ripples, watch them turn to waves right before your eyes. You never know who it might touch, and soon it might be all of us. Maybe there's a world that you can change, so start a wave. But someone has to start it.
In third place and bronze medalist with a score of 91.2,
Yeah, someone has to start it.
Mira Mesa High School.
Will you be the one to start it? Oh, will you be the one to start it? The one to start it all? Sometimes just one drop is all it takes. One drop is all that it takes. See the ripples, watch them turn to waves right before your eyes. One becomes 100, then 100,000 join in. An ocean's just a drop when it begins, but someone has to start it. Oh, oh, maybe there's a world that you can change, so start a wave. Oh, start a wave.
Yo, you trying to reheat this cake from last week?
Sure. Wait. I thought we're not supposed to put tinfoil in the microwave.
Actually, it's a microwave oven.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom, getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. Now I know that I'm not all that you got. I guess that I just thought maybe we could find new ways to fall apart. But our friends are back, so let's raise a toast, 'cause I found someone to carry me home. if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.